In this video, we're going to do what is called measuring execution time, or checking how long our script got performed. Because in this particular video, we're able to do we're going to select the execution of our, or can say we delayed the execution of our part of our script, but we don't actually know how long it took our script to run. And to do that is basically simple. Remember that for us to be able to achieve this, we imported this time module initially. So then we can handle call other functions of its capability. So let's this out. Okay, let's say I want to check how long it took this code to run, this entire code to run. I'm going to use what is called the perf_counter. It's going to count how long it took this our entire code to run. And how do you make use of it? You can say create a variable called the start. Oh, this is start. Okay, I'm going to give it equals to. Let me bring this on a little bit. Okay, I'm going to give it equal. I'm going to use called time. What did I say? PERF counter. So what does this count? What does this do? It's going to check where we started to count our code. Let's say we started let's say it's going to initially, let's say it's going to be 0, and then when we call it again, let's say we call end, we'll say time the PERF counter. What does this mean? This PERF counter is going to start initially, and then it's going to take this bunch of code and then check how long it took for this code to run from here to here. And then to get our result, we can say one end is going to be bigger than that of start. We can say end minus start. We do that. Let's see what we get as our end. Okay, let's run completely. Can see we get some 7257. So let's check for that of our start. Can see 726. You can see that starting is always lesser than that of end. That means that end is always greater than start. Though if we convert this end minus start, so it's going to give us the particular amount of time it took this entire script to run. The script, or you can see the block of code beneath it that has been enclosed on it. So let me run this thing. Okay, the second one, and then last one. You can see it took 4 seconds, 4.01444 something seconds. But just you know that it took 4 seconds. Why did it take 4 seconds? You can see, like I said, here takes seconds and give to here and give to here. Let me change this to 1. Now we should know that it's going to take 3 seconds for this to run. This dot 0.0014 is talking about the amount of seconds it took the Python to run this entire script, minusing this other second, because other ones we explicitly set it. We know that Python is not too fast like that, so it's going to take some time to run our script. So if we don't set, if we move this time the sleep 1, type the sleep 2, are going to get this dot 0.0 something seconds. If your line of code is too much, is long, you're going to also do the similar thing, and the time is going to increase. So we know that we are going to get 3 point something seconds. So let's do that. We can say 3.004 something seconds because of this time here. If we were to remove it and then run our code, you can see we got 0.00 because 0.00126 seconds. This is just the time it took Python to start from the beginning of this code and to complete this. But adding those of other time that was here, it's going to delay the execution of the script. So that's basically what I want to look at in this video, to know how long it took our script to run. Is really important at times, because when your script, can use it in a situation whereby you know your script is taking longer time to run, you might tend to remove some things, add something. In a situation whereby you know we are dealing with time and we are time conscious, and so you should always make sure that the time you are using and the time it takes to execute the code, you try your best to reduce it. So that's basically what I want to look at in this video. So I think we'll draw the curtain for this video. In the next video, we're going to look at what is called measuring time intervals. So that's what I'm going to do in the next video. So I'll be able to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.